All right, how is everyone doing? I am back in Spatial, and I'm back in because I thought it would be interesting to show you a auction. So I came to Spatial and joined in on the Ukraine charity NFT auction, which I thought was something interesting that's going on in the metaverse space, particularly Spatial. As you can see, I am here. I'm going into the auction. There are NFT artworks that are available for sale. So if you go into Spatial, you can choose this particular room and actually come in and take a look in this space at the various NFT artworks. It has what's pretty neat at the end of the space. Well, first of all, you can see the Ukrainian flag overall, and a lot of the colors are actually the Ukrainian colors, if you notice as well. Oh, there's someone in here with us. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? I don't think she can hear me. But when you go in here, you can see a wall, and on the wall, it has a list of the donors. So you can take a look who donated. You can learn, grow, and support, as it says here, which I think is pretty interesting. I don't want to be rude. Hi, how are you? So I think this is something that's very interesting to take a look at, to look at some of the NFT artwork, which I think is pretty cool. You can come in here. This is by Skaz, Take the Shot. Okay. So you can go around, walk around, look at artwork, and also donate and purchase some NFTs if you like in the Spatial room, which is for Ukraine fundraising. And again, I'm going outside of the room. So if you want to walk around the space, I'm not sure where this greenery or these buildings are, or what this is supposed to mimic. I'm not very sure about that. Oh, wow, one of the artworks is sold. So this one is actually sold, coded cards. That's my avatar, by the way, just kind of moving around in here. Thank you, generous donors. Learn, grow, and support seems to be the theme here. Really nice metaverse space. Keep in mind, when you go into Spatial, you can connect with people from all over the world who come in and are in this metaverse room, in this absolutely free space. I'm just going to take a look over here before we leave. Here's some more NFTs. These are sold. So it seems like this is a very successful sale of NFTs. So all of these are actually sold. Wow, that's great. It's a fundraiser. Just to give you another view of the space. And I hope you enjoyed this. It's called the PA Ukraine NFT auction. So let me know what you think. Love to hear what you think in the comments. Make sure to subscribe if you like some more content. I'm happy to share some more with you. Thank you.